Hi, my name is Sam, the founder of GHL SaasKits, where we create custom solutions for GoHighLevel users. Whether you're an agency owner or a business owner using GoHighLevel as your CRM, we have tools designed to help you get more out of your platform. At GHL SaasKits, we understand that GoHighLevel's default features may not always cover everything your business needs. That's why we developed GHL Code Snippets, a powerful collection of code that lets you customize and enhance your GoHighLevel experience. Want to make your pages more engaging with animated elements? Need to set up a free plus shipping funnel to boost your sales? Or maybe want to customize your checkout page to match your brand? GHL Code Snippets gives you the flexibility to do all of this and more. What makes GHL Code Snippets even better is that each one comes with step-by-step video training. We walk you through exactly how to install and implement each snippet into your GoHighLevel account, so even if you're not a tech expert, you can follow along easily and make these customizations work for you. But that's not all. When you join GHL SaasKits, you also get access to our exclusive community. This is where hundreds of like-minded business owners and agency owners come together to share ideas, ask questions, and grow their businesses. In our community, you can request new code snippets, get insights on the best ways to use GoHighLevel, and even learn tips and tricks from others in various industries. It's an active, collaborative space designed to help you succeed, no matter what business you're in. Plus, we often share new code snippets in the community before they're released to the public, giving our members early access and the chance to provide valuable feedback. This way, you can help shape the future of the solutions we create. At GHL SaasKits, we're committed to helping you customize, enhance, and get the most out of your GoHighLevel platform. Whether you're looking to add new features, improve your workflows, or engage more with your customers, GHL Code Snippets and our supportive community are here to help. So, if you're ready to take your GoHighLevel experience to the next level, join us at GHL SaasKits today.